Episode 60, it's a proud moment for me covering all these episodes. Suresh is busy in leveling the G7 kitchen vertical for the kitchen countertop. So we had actually done the molding from the showroom itself, but the finishing of it is done on site for the precision. Yes, there is one more new addition of the inner laminate roll, what you see here, because we are starting the carpentry in a day or two. The other areas which are actually lined up on site are the wall punning, that is wall leveling work, which you are seeing in the dining area that is going on. These are few flooring boxes which are there because the kitchen flooring and the passage flooring is due for completion. Moving ahead, in the vanity area, we have successfully completed the wall tiling. Even there was a small patch above the bathroom door, even that has been completed, and parallelly, the balance area is getting covered by wall panning. Moving ahead to the master bedroom area. In the master bedroom area, currently the work which is focused is the fabrication roofing work, which I'm just showing you right away. This is the roofing work which is yet to get completed. So probably in the coming two episodes, you'll be seeing the completion of that as well. Moving ahead, in the kids room or the common bedroom, we are busy in the roofing area of this window. Apart from that, there was a strengthening which was yet to be completed, so we are getting that done as well, because the AC outdoors are to be positioned in the grills, so definitely double strengthening is essential. Thank you so much guys for being patient and enjoying this journey. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.